So now we transferred our leaf sample into this mortar. By pestle we chop them, but very special thing you have to remember, uh, until the pigments are enclosed with the cell wall and vacuoles within the cell, they are safe. But if we chop, they will come out and now they expose to the environment. At that time, the sunlight and other light sources and heat will affect to these pigments and they will degrade. So we have to be very careful. We have to do these grinding and other further extraction in dark conditions. We have to reduce light as much as we can. So with our facilities, our university have very poor facilities, so we don't have such lab. This is an open lab. There are a lot of windows, but there are some carotenoid extraction laboratories in foreign. Those are very productive because they manage to reduce the sunlight and other light sources by minimum windows and light conditions. So we don't have that facilities. So however, we can provide this type of box very easy. You can light because I have on my flash. Now it's off. However, I keep my grinding mill inside and I reduce light compared to outside of this box. So now I chop or grind my leaf sample like this. Initially its appearance is like this. Finally I have to grind them to fine particles like coconut dust. You know coconut dust? This is a previous leaf sample I ground. This is white color, no? Initial leaf sample is green color. This white color because I extracted all the color pigments from this leaf sample. So let's move to that procedure. First step is you have to grind well your leaf sample by using mortar and pestle. Okay. After grinding, I will add acetone. Acetone solvent to this our mortar, and I will extract plant pigments to the acetone. That's the main thing, but we will careful about the acetone because in normal acetone the productivity is very low because carotenoid extract into the cold acetone, not normal acetone. This is room temperature acetone. No, we have to use cold acetone. To get cold acetone, we use this type of ice bath. This is normal ice from the ice machine. We keep our acetone solvent in the ice bath to get cool down. That acetone we pour into this plant material after grinding, and we extract our pigments. Let's see how to extract.